Not everybody appreciates the land the way I do, and the world's all about convenience, not about tradition. You won't see my picture in the newspaper or doing a radio ad. I'm just not that kind of guy. A lot of times, the best properties are the ones that are not on the market. I have a large network of people because I've been in the business for a long time. Anybody can take pictures and get a drone and put it out there, but not everybody can tell the story. Not everybody can explain the process. My name's John Fowle, ALC, a ranch broker with a ranch company, and I live it to know it.